Hi guys, I promised a video of a takedown of my braid out, so this is what this is gonna be. I got a lot of hits on my blog for people looking for braid outs on relaxed hair and braid outs on transitioning hair. So I said, even though I have a couple different blog posts up, I said I would do a video as well so you could see it, I guess, in action. So this is my go-to hairstyle, as I've always said, either 5 cornrows or 5 flat twists. But lately I've been preferring the flat twist, the cornrows over the flat twist. It comes out a little bit better, so I've been sticking to that. And as you can see, well, not right now because I didn't tie it down last night. I just slept on a satin pillowcase, but as you can see, it takes about a day to dry because I did this yesterday morning, and I'm hoping that it's fully dried now because I normally wait until 2 days to take it out. So it's a style that you can go on the road if you have to run on the road in. I don't know if I'd wear this to work though. So I'm just gonna start taking it out so you can see what this looks like. Are you seeing everything here? So yeah, I did a post yesterday showing you what my texture was looking like. So from that post you can gather how much of my hair is still relaxed and how much of it is natural. I have probably about, I'd say about 3 inches, 3.5 inches of natural hair because I've been transitioning for 5.5 months so far. So I don't normally use anything. Mommy? Yeah, baby, my little munchkin is home with me today. I don't normally use anything to take down my braids because I put product in it from the get-go, so the takedown is normally pretty simple. There you go. That's looking good so far, right? So yeah, I normally have a good enough amount of product in it. I don't need any product to take it down. Tonight what I would do is to just spritz it again with my oil mixture and rebraid it. I wouldn't do it in cornrows again. I would just grab it in 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 at the top, 5 braids, and just put them in bantu knots, or China bumps as we call them in Jamaica. So yeah, this is looking pretty good so far. Oh, my battery is running low, so let me try and hurry this up because this is just a quick video here showing you what a braid out on transitioning hair looks like. You guys make sure to check out all the pictures will be on my blog, iridiva.com. I'll put the link because Munchkin is trying to get up in the video. But yeah, this is looking pretty good. I really need to get some curl formers though, because this hairstyle always looks good on day 1 and that's about it. Day 2, day 3, forget about it. No matter if I braid it up, it just doesn't come out looking good on the 2nd day. As good, I should say.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, baby.
Comb here?
Yeah, Mommy's combing her hair. So yeah, can you see?
Yeah.
It's nice and shiny. In the blog post I'll tell you what products I put in, so you can visit me there if you want to see. But yeah, I'm ready for the road. I'm still feeling a bit under the weather, so I may sound like a toad right now, but yeah. Just run your fingers through and try to fluff so that all the parts are gone. Yeah, I'm feeling this one. There you go, a bread out on transitioning hair. Visit me, iridiva.com. Ciao.